Hello, good morning everyone. I welcome you all in this new video tutorial of your chapter number 7, and we are going to start the derivation of the distance formula. In last class I have promised you that in the next video I'll definitely discuss how to derive the distance formula, which we have been discussed in the last video, right? And I'm going to complete my promise. I am going to tell you about the derivation of the distance formula. So let's start. Let me make it small. Just wait a minute. I hope you are all well in this corona time, and you are all studying also, because very soon you'll face your final exams, and I hope that may not be the online pattern, right? So let's start the distance formula. Let me draw the two coordinates like this. This is my y-axis and this is my x-axis. आप लोग भी बिल्कुल ऐसे ही draw कर लीजिए. This is your x and this is your x dash. It is your y and it is your y dash. Okay. Now let me mark x1 over here and x2 over here, y1 over here and y2 over here. I have, I'm taking few points on your axis. Now, if I meet these 2 points, suppose like this, just wait a minute. Suppose I'm writing one point P over here and one point Q over here. So if I'll join it like this, and if I write the coordinates of Q, so it will be x2 y2 and coordinate of P will be x1 and y1. So I'm doing one more thing. I'm making a straight line like this and one more line like this and one more line like this. Okay. Now you can see that this is nothing but a right angle triangle. Okay. I'm writing few more points. Suppose this is my M, this is my R, and this is S. These are the names of the points. Okay. Now this is your right angle triangle. And I want to find out the value of PQ. As we very well know from the last class, if I will find out the distance between the 2 points, which is P and Q over here, so I'll definitely get under root of x2 minus of x1 whole square plus of y2 minus of y1 whole square. Now how to find it? The main agenda is how to find it. I have drawn this figure. I have located 2 points like this, P and Q, and I have subtended the line from P to R and M to S, and I have drawn one perpendicular from P to your line QS. Okay. So what I have done, I have drawn one perpendicular PM to the line QS. Okay, so this is only the thing I need to do. Now you can see, guys, if I'll tell that PM will be equals to RS, so I think I'm not wrong. ये वाला जो side है वो बिल्कुल इसके equal होगा. Okay, so if I'll ask you what is the value of RS, what is the value of RS, then what will you tell? RS will be equals to, suppose it is my origin O, OS minus of OR, right? OS यहाँ से यहाँ तक का था and OR आपका यहाँ से यहाँ तक का था, तो आपका ये RS मिल जाएगा आपको, right? तो अपन ने क्या किया, OS minus of OR, which is nothing but x2 minus of x1. Okay. Similarly, if I want to find out the value of QM, so you can see यहाँ से यहाँ तक की जो वैल्यू है S से Q तक की, उससे मैंने अगर माइनस कर दिया S से M तक की वैल्यू, तो आपको ये QM मिल जाएगा, right? So what I'm doing, I'm writing it as QS minus of MS. Okay. So value of QS, you can see it is nothing but Y2. ये पूरी की पूरी वैल्यू Y2 है, आप यहाँ से लेफ्ट साइड से देख सकते हैं. And यहाँ SM की वैल्यू कितनी है, Y1 है, the height of that portion, right? Height of that portion is Y2 then Y1. So I can write it as y2 minus of y1. Okay. Now look into your figure. यहाँ पे आप देखिए. In triangle PQM, use Pythagoras theorem. So it will be PQ square is equals to, which is your hypotenuse, will be equals to PM square plus of QM square. Okay, and we know that PM is nothing but equals to RS. So I can write it as x2 minus of x1 whole square plus of y2 minus of y1 whole square, and this is your PQ square. So value of PQ will be equals to under root of x2 minus of x1 whole square plus of y2 minus of y1 whole square. Bingo, we got our formula. So this is the distance formula between the 2 points, right? If we have a point P, whose coordinate is given as x1 and y1, and a point Q, which coordinate is given as x2 and y2. So we very well know that this is the formula for the distance between the 2 points, right? And here we have found out that formula by looking into the derivation. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share it and subscribe it. And we'll meet in the next lecture with 7.2, right? With 7.2. Thank you.